Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Um, so yeah, welcome back, y'all. Welcome. Oh my God, I missed y'all. I haven't done a video in a little bit because everybody knows we was on vacation. Um, our anniversary trip. Yeah, we had a nice time. I know I told y'all that in the other videos, but yeah. So I'm here to do a PR package. But before that, I want to ask everybody how y'all doing? How are y'all families? And what are y'all working on? I always want to know these things. Y'all, oh my gosh. This week being kind of rough, but I'm gonna do another unboxing of my diamond painting stash. So in this video I'll do this and then I'll do another video, and I'll probably do a whip and chat, and I want to talk to y'all about a live. So all of that is going to be in the next video. For now, we're going to do a PR package. Thank you to GBFKE. You guys are great. They sent me a PR package to open to show you guys and review, and I would like to show y'all the pretty paintings they sent me. They did send me again 2 of the same kind. I don't know why, but okay, I'm gonna open the first one, and the other 2 that I was sent before, I don't think it's from GBFKE though. I don't know what's going on with that, but anyway, one of them will be a giveaway. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below what y'all working on. I'm gonna do a whip and chat for y'all. So this first diamond painting comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pen, full kit, all you need to diamond paint. And these drills are round, and I'm gonna show y'all those. And this one is a 40 by 40 centimeter, and it's called Dessert Cup, but y'all know these. I got April. So it is a 40 by 40 centimeter. Here's the thumbnail. It's so cute. They have a lot of color blocking in it. The drill field is clear. They do have a lot of color blocking. I hope y'all could see that. I'm just gonna kind of peek in so y'all could see it. I love the butterflies, y'all, and it says April and spring. It has the butterflies and the mug with the straw and the foam and coffee and all that good stuff. The legend at the top left, I'm sorry, and bottom right. And let's see, it does have the DMC codes. Yes, it does have the DMC code. So if you look close, it has the colors and the DMC code. And they're all letters. Yes, they're all letters. It should be pretty easy to distinguish. And like I said, it's a lot of color blocking, but if you like color blocking, this is the painting for you. If you do not, it's definitely not for you. But it is nice. They do have some areas right here that's not as bad, you know, for color blocking, but yeah, a lot of color blocking. Not a lot of confetti for sure. Look at all the butterflies all around the cup. Some heart, is that heart or butterfly? These are hearts for sure. And lots of butterflies. Yeah, so this is really cute. The canvas is pretty soft. We're going to do a sticky test. I have my camera more upright because I think it's more comfortable for you guys to see, and it's more comfortable for me to show y'all a painting. So this is the stickiness. As y'all can see, it's sticky. This is a full round drill, no special drills in this one. And if I can straighten out the paper. Oh my God, the struggle is real. Good God. All right, y'all. Y'all could tell I haven't done this in a little bit. But I want to do a whip and chat for y'all. Because I need some more practice. And I want to do a live. I'm going to try to do a live. I might just pop up a live and just to do it one time to see how it goes. Maybe tonight. I don't know. I'll see. Today is Saturday, April 6th. So yeah. So that's the first one. And like I said, the canvas is very soft. It's soft considering usually they're pretty stiff, but this one's soft. So the drills for it are in little bags, not the zip baggies. And these are the colors of the drills. Pretty colors. The color palette is pretty. I love it. Very pretty. That's why I chose it. The color palette. I like the color palette. Anything colorful to me, y'all, just makes me happy. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know, when you have severe anxiety and stuff, I'm sure many of you know all about it. The brighter the colors, to me, like the color palette makes a big difference when you're working on a painting. It does. See that? Look at all those pinks and blues and purples. So cute. So this should be fun. So that's that. And next, we're going to open this one and see what this one's, y'all know. I think I have one like it. I'm not even sure. I thought I chose one like it. I don't know, but regardless, if I have two, then I'll do one in a giveaway because I'm about to do a giveaway. So, because I have, as soon as I reach, I think 700, I'll do a giveaway. It comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pin. It's round drill, and this one is a 40 by 30 centimeter. And for the, I forgot to tell y'all, for the dessert cup, it's $6.58, and for the colorful fish, this one is $5.48. I think I have one like this, but I think it's a little bigger, because this is a 30 by 40. I think the other one I have is a 40 by 40. I'm not sure, but this is the one I have from GBFKE this time, and they have the legend on the top left and bottom right. The drill field is clear. Look at the fish, how cute. It's kind of, I don't know, to me, like some parts look pixelated. Maybe it's just me, but regardless, it's still cute. I like it. Here's the thumbnail. I like fish and oceans and farms and all that good stuff, so I like it. I think it's cute. I think when it be finished, it'll be cute. I'm not sure about the detail in the fish, but we shall see whenever I work on it and work it. See what happens. So it's really cute, and we're gonna check the stick on it. The stickiness is good. It is a round drill. Like I said, I don't know, it's not too pixelated. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. I love it. It's pretty. Y'all know I like fish and sea and ocean and farm. Like Diamond Grandma, I love farm stuff. I love ocean, beaches, stuff like that. Sea turtles. Y'all know I love fish because I just came back from a fishing trip. So that's that one, and these are the drills for that. Look at these colors. Look at those colors, y'all. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I do not take my drills out of the bags to show y'all because it's just too much hassle to put them back in, get them back in there. But yeah, these are the drills for them. I like to keep them together, so. I mean, I keep my drills separate, but, and these come in not a Ziploc baggies. These come in just the regular baggies, as y'all could see, the regular bags. But these are some pretty colors. I love them. That's going to be for that big fish right there. Blackfish, I think, or what, I don't know what you call it, but they're pretty. Pretty fish, pretty fish. We shall see how that one turns out as well. So those are the two I got. Well, I have this one too, but it's the same as a dessert cup. It is the same as the other one. I don't know why I got two. I really don't. That's not what I ordered. I had ordered a Daisy Ladybug one. Unfortunately, that one did not come. So I had two of these instead. It's okay. Again, thank you, GBFKE. I really appreciate it. And that should be it for this unbagging. I hope you guys have a great day and a great week. Thank y'all for watching. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you guys. Bye.